Respected parents, children, my viewers and listeners, I am once again before you to convey this message that the school, the Science School of Education, has been upgraded up to 10th standard. I had a few days back, I was before you to convey this message. But once again, I convey this thing that this school has been upgraded up to 10th standard. Dear parents, as we know, during the COVID period, we faced a lot of difficulties in providing education to the students online. There were certain children who were away from the station and our message could not reach them in time. Those students who are even at home are not satisfied. Even everybody is not satisfied by giving this education online. There is a lot of difference by providing education through online and offline. Whenever we are on offline, there is direct link between the teacher and the taught. But when we are online, we cannot be connected directly to the children. So we faced a lot of difficulties. As far as the providing of education through modern technology was concerned, we too lack so many things. But now we are willing to give a new reform to the policies of education and the methodology of education. And we have recruited so many teachers highly qualified from this district and from outside the state. There were people, no doubt, parents are willing, parents, everybody, whosoever wants to get admission in any institution, he or she wants that highly qualified staff should give them the education. But one thing is more, that in order to satisfy their demand, we have recruited a lot of teachers through our message and through media and through our advertisement, and they have applied for to work as a teacher in this institution, and you will get their information through their introductory message on video. As far as our own staff is concerned, we have recruited so many teachers newly in this institution, and I hope everybody, whosoever is within this district or outside the district, they will do justice to the subject, they will do justice with their children and with the parents. And I hope there will be no complaint on behalf of the parents against the teachers. As far as the policies of this education is concerned, there are various policies in this through this education to be imparted to the students, that we will provide scholarship to the students, meritorious students who will be the topper in the school, and there are various other benefits to be given to the students, as the free education, 25%. We are going to give the students 25% students free education from this institution. There are so many other benefits to be given to the students. As we know, we are not just like other institutions where there is the holding of these candidates and admission is going. There are the different classes from A to Z even. But there in this CBSE pattern, we are having only 2 sections for each section, comprising of 40 students in each section. In each class there will be 80 students, but in each section there will be only 40 students. So imparting of education will be available, and we are very hopeful. I am assured that these teachers who have been recruited in this institution or who have been appointed in this institution will do justice, and there will be no complaint against these teachers on behalf of the parents. Once again I thank you. I hope all the teachers who have given their introduction, you will be satisfied by their qualification and introduction that they have given so far. Thank you very much.
I am Sonia Sharma. I belong to district Poonch. I have completed my graduation from GTC Poonch, and I have completed my PG in sociology. Post my PG, I have completed my B.Ed from University of Jammu. I am a working experience of last 3 years in Science School of Education under our principal ma'am, Mrs. Usha Puri, and working with her is a great experience. I believe myself as a versatile personality from my adjustable nature. I love to work as a teacher and I have a great sense of achievement from seeing my students to develop and grow as individuals.
Good morning all of you. Myself Rachna Sharma. I had joined as a TGT Natural Science in Science School of Education. My educational qualification are BSc B.Ed and I am also pursuing MSc in Zoology. Recently I was working in New Krishna Board Public School. I had 5 years of teaching experience. I had also done a course in library science and also worked as a librarian in Midfield Senior Secondary School for 5 years. So in total I had 10 years of school experience. I had also cleared my central eligibility test and also cleared my Haryana state of eligibility test. As far as my subject is concerned, I always like to teach my students in a playful manner so that they cannot be stressed and can be prepared for the competitive world. As you know, dear my students, that there is a COVID pandemic around us. So we are not able to take your classes on regular basis. So your classes will be held in online mode. So kindly please try to cooperate with us and best of luck for your studies.
Hello everyone. Hope you are doing good and staying safe in this pandemic. My name is Ritika Jaiswal and I am from Ratlam, Madhya Pradesh. I am graduate from Vikram University Ujjain and along with B.Ed. Also pursued my MBA in marketing and HR that helped me in improving my interpersonal skill. I have recently joined Science School of Education as an English teacher. I have total experience of 7 years into teaching in the school of Ratlam and nearby areas. My last workplace was Pudha International School. I worked there for 3 years as TGT teacher and junior coordinator. I believe that duties of the teacher are not few, they elevate the mind and give the energy to the character. I am really looking forward to work with this school which is giving me a great feeling already. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. Myself as a Mohammad Shahryar am the PGT from the mathematics and also I am the teacher of the assistant teacher of the mathematics from Sai School of Education.
I am Bindu. I am from Kerala, the southernmost state of India. I have completed BA Economics and B.Ed also, and now I'm working as an English teacher in a Sai public school. My subjects are social science and English. As a person, I believe in religious harmony and tolerance. I'm an altruist and a philanthropist also. My strengths are hardworking, innovative, and I'm an updated person also. My weak points are I'm an empathetic person having soft corner for everyone. So someone misuse my weakness. English is a language which connects people globally. The first and important function of a language is communication. But when we need to understand more about a language or learn deeply a language, then we have to learn the fundamentals of English. Formation of sentences are different types of sentences are basics of tenses are different types of parts of speech, figure of speech used in poems. Like other languages, English has its own particular components like verb, noun, pronoun, adjective, then adverb, conjunctions, interjections, verb. Verbs are also different categories like non-action verbs and action verbs. And these nouns are different types. There are 8 different types. And in English, we can't we can tell completely about English within a 5 minutes video. And my next subject is social science. And then what about more? Nothing. Okay.
Hi, good evening everyone. First of all, thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Mansi Dogra and I have completed my graduation course from Jammu University and I am pursuing my master's from Jammu University in English literature. So I am appointed as a conversation teacher in our school, Science School of Education, which is situated in City Poonch, which is the first CBSE school in Poonch. So I am appointed as the conversation teacher to enhance their communication skills and uplift their confidence so that they can present themselves well in front of others, So the thing which is lacking inside them, which is confidence, we are here to help them to uplift that. So I would like to thank our principal and Vandana ma'am and Vipul sir for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Mamta. I am an engineering graduate specialized in computer science engineering. I have done my engineering from Government College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu. I am appointed as a maths teacher in Science School of Education. Thank you.
Hello students, I am Amit Kaul. I will be teaching you mathematics. Mathematics is the basic of all subjects. We will learn a lot of things, lot of formulas regarding mathematics. I have been teaching mathematics in Science School of Education from last 1 year. Students, you can learn mathematics only if you study hard and practice the sums again and again. My dear students, stay safe and keep learning. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone, this is Neelu Sharma. My qualification is MA B.Ed. I did my BA from Poonch Degree College and B.Ed from Poonch College of Education. I did my postgraduate from Delhi University in Hindi. I have an experience of 5 years contractual lecturers in Boys Higher Secondary Poonch.
Hi, I am Ambika Luthra from Science School of Education. I will work here as a science teacher. I got my schooling from DAV and my bachelor in science from GDC Poonch. I completed my MSc Honours in Zoology from GNDU Amritsar. After that, I have done B.Ed from Jammu University and have also qualified CTET. As a teacher, first of all, I will try to make basic concepts of my students clear and will include activities and live examples in my lectures so that my students will understand it in a better way. Thank you.
My name is Rachel Kaur. I am basically from Poonch City. I am the SSC teacher. I have done my schooling from Kai School and my bachelor in arts from GDC Poonch. I have earned my master degree in geography from HNBGU Garhwal University, Uttarakhand, and my B.Ed from Jammu University. I have also teaching experience of 6 months. In my teaching, I will focus on playway method and also I will focus on practicing method by using maps, globe, etc. I would also like to use storytelling method to make the subject more easy and interesting. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Shahida from Science School of Education. I have my schooling from Punjab. I did my graduation from Punjabi University Patiala and B.Ed from Srinagar. I have an experience of working as a private teacher in Modern Public Academy, Dehradun, Poonch. I have also worked as subject-specific teacher under Ramsa on contractual basis for 1.5 years. I want to share my knowledge and experience as a teacher in this school to give knowledge and to impart education, and to learn something new is my passion.
Hello and a very good morning to all of you. I have to introduce myself first. Let me begin with I am Seema Bali. I have my graduation from GDC Poonch, then I have my masters in English. After that I have my B.Ed from the University of Jammu. I am always interested in spreading the knowledge to the children who cannot reach it. So I used to teach the children nearby my place after my working hours. My hobbies always remain to meet such great personalities like our principal ma'am, from whom I can acquire something to improve my teaching and learning skills. I want to be a successful pedagogue so that I can influence my children to become the productive member of the society. I believe myself as an effective communicator, both in writing and verbally. And I believe I can plan and organize everything effectively, which is very crucial to the part of a competent teacher. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Myself Sumantini Mani. I belong to Poonch. I completed my BSc from DB College Poonch and now I am pursuing for Masters in English. I am a good multitasker and having a good communication skills. I indulge students and I wanted to indulge students in co-curricular activities in the school premises. That's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I am Pooja Sharma. I am basically from Poonch. I am postgraduate in Hindi and also I have completed my B.Ed from Jammu University. I have 7 years of teaching experience and now I am working in this institution for last 2 years. I am well trained in handling the classes of juniors and seniors also. Thank you.
Everyone, first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Shikha Sharma. I belong to Poonch. I am MSc B.Ed. I did my graduation and B.Ed from Jammu University. I did my master in physics from HNB Gurgaon University in 2012. I have a working experience of 5 years from Government Polytechnic Poonch as a lecturer on academic arrangement. I am working in this institution as a math teacher from last 1 year. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Myself Reza Bhatt. I live in Poonch. I am here as a teacher. I completed my graduation from GDC College. Now I am doing master from Kashmir University. And I have 2-year experience from Jamia Ziaul Uloom Poonch. I love my job and I feel I am doing my job well. Thank you.
I am from Poonch itself. I belong to science stream, that is BSc. I am postgraduate in English from Delhi University and had completed my B.Ed course under Jammu University and now pursuing BLIS through distance board, that is Bachelors of Library and Information Science. I can teach in 3 languages, that is English, Hindi, Punjabi as well. I have good communication skill and computer education to handle digital media in the classroom also. At last, teaching is the one profession that creates all other professions. That's why I chose this profession to educate others. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Pratik Kaur. I belong to Poonch district of Jammu and Kashmir. I am BSc B.Ed. I have done my B.Ed from Jammu University and I am working for the last 3 years in this institute. Teaching is the backbone of our country and I really believe in this. That's why I choose teaching as a profession to inculcate good qualities in children and to impart some knowledge to them so that they can become a good citizen of our country. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Harkaran Singh. As per my qualification is concerned, I have completed my schooling from Nanak Academy Poonch. I have completed my BP, that is Bachelor of Physical Education from Rashtragan Tukuji Maharaj University, Nagpur. Now I am pursuing BP.Ed from same university under KD Pawar College. I have an experience of last 2 years in Science School of Education Poonch under Honorable Principal Ma'am Miss Usha Puri.
Hello everybody, this is Nikhil Suri. I'm Accountant Assistant at Science School of Education Poonch. I have been working here from last 1.5 years. Working in this institute is just a great experience for me. I have learned a lot of things from our principal Ma'am Shrimati Usha Puri. As per my qualification is concerned, I have completed my schooling from Tri School Poonch. I have completed 1 year computer diploma. Apart from this, I have done D Pharmacy and pursuing toward my B Pharmacy. This is all about me. Thank you.